channel, and thank you so much for tuning in. I'm really excited because today I'm going to be sharing with you a head wrap tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how I got this lovely head wrap style and a couple of others. I have to give a great big shout out to Rayna Josephine for collaborating with me on this video and sending me this lovely head wrap. They have a whole head wrap collection and clothes and other things on their website, so be sure to check the description box and check them out. And with all of that being said, we're just gonna get right into this tutorial. wraps up this video. I hope you enjoyed it and you decide to try out some of these lovely head wrap styles. This is my personal favorite. Again, I want to thank Rayna Josephine for collaborating with me on this video. You guys don't forget to check the description box to check out the website of the company. And thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you all later. Bye.